Best skincare tips and tricks for anti-aging. As mentioned in the beginning of the training, skincare is one of the most important things that we should focus on if we want to remain youthful and combat aging. Our skin is one of the most visible parts of our body, and if we are not being mindful of it, then we will surely show signs of aging more than we would if we learned more about how to care for the skin and allow our bodies to thrive. Fish oil capsules contain the omega-3 fatty acids that promote collagen production and keep our skin hydrated. When our skin's elasticity is promoted, wrinkles and other skin blemishes such as age spots and stretch marks are far less likely. Avocado and eating the collagen-promoting foods mentioned in a previous video are other great keys in improving our skin care and ensuring that our bodies are producing and utilizing collagen in a way that will help us to remain appearing as youthful as possible. Another trick that we already mentioned was using sunscreen and keeping the skin hydrated and protected from the sun's UV rays. Staying indoors or in shaded areas during the sunniest parts of the day can help us to avoid the harmful effects of the sun and allow us to maintain our skin's natural elasticity without drying it out or exposing it to the ultraviolet rays that can potentially cause cancer. Something else that we can do is speak with a dermatologist about the different creams and treatments that we might be able to utilize to keep our skin healthy. Keeping the skin clean and hydrated can go a very long way in helping us to maintain a youthful appearance. It can also help us to stay healthier and to ensure that we are getting rid of toxins in our bodies rather than allowing them to linger. When you are looking into a skincare regimen, you will want to look into things that are derivatives of vitamin A, called retinoids. You should also stay on the lookout for antioxidants, peptides, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and things that contain shea butter. Shea butter is one of the most hydrating of the compounds available and can be essential in keeping our skin hydrated and bright. It can also make the skin remarkably soft and smooth, and it smells good too. When it comes to our skincare, it can also be incredibly beneficial to remember that anytime we sweat, we are releasing toxins and free radicals onto the surface of our skin. These things can cause bacteria and breakouts on our faces and bodies, so if you find yourself sweating, do everything in your power to shower it off as soon as possible afterward. It's important to maintain your skin's integrity and keep it clean. However, after your showers, be sure that you moisturize. Put lotion onto your body afterward. You can also consider the option of air drying rather than drying off with a towel to enhance the hydration of your skin and protect your skin from the abrasion of your towel. Many people swear by air drying. Something else you can do while on the topic of showers is to use cool water. Hot water can actually damage the skin and dry it out. However, using cool water, or at least as cool as you can stand it, is less likely to damage and dry the skin out. On top of that, it enhances the shine of our hair and protects the natural oils that our bodies produce to provide our hair with a beautiful sheen. If you suffer from dandruff or dry scalp, using cool water to wash and rinse your hair, if nothing else, can really work wonders. Staying youthful is a full-time job, and being able to develop a routine is one of the most important elements of maintaining our ability to utilize anti-aging techniques. Learn what products you want to use the most and avoid harsh scrubs that might cause abrasions to the skin. Once you know the best routine that works for you, turn it into a daily habit. It will only take a few minutes out of your day, but it will affect your skin for the better for the rest of your life. It's worth it. Determine your personal skincare routine and start to implement it today.